Hi developers, welcome to How to Fix. Today we're focusing on this unique bug that might have trouble with. So let's dive right into today's bug. Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. So here's an explanation on how to fix it. Please pause the video to read the explanation. Now we'll debug the code and observe the final output. And just like that, the code executes perfectly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. Well, that wraps up our tutorial for today. If you found value in this video, do remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding solution videos. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding everyone!